Hello and welcome to another update video about Optimism. Optimism is currently, or the price is currently following our script pretty much. Very good to see, strong sell-off. A few weeks ago, actually, we were looking at this ascending wedge pattern. I counted that as a wave 4 correction, highlighted to you that we have a corrective structure pretty much complete. We expected a move down. After the breakout to the downside, I indicated to you that $1.16 would be sort of roughly the area that I would look at, I would view as a target, yeah, because typically you say when a wedge pattern breaks, the first target is the beginning of the wedge, and that was for me down here roundabout at $1.16. Price came down from up there, yeah, roundabout 30%, and came down to $1.18, so that worked out nicely. We then saw the expected corrective rally, which I gave you a resistance area for, and the expectation was to get rejected somewhere in resistance. Yeah, we looked on the microstructure in the last video here at a trend channel. That trend channel seems to be broken now, and it seems like price got rejected at the golden ratio at $1.55. As long as price now stays below that last swing high of $1.59, which is the Friday, the 25th of August high, or yesterday's actually that was, yeah. Yesterday's on Thursday high, yeah, the Thursday high. I would now focus on lower. It's a bit too early really to confirm it. We get better confirmation if price can break below that yellow B wave low. That's here at $1.45. But for now, I already would start to assume that we are now heading down lower again. Now, this is now where it's getting difficult. In previous videos, previous weeks, it wasn't so difficult. We said, okay, we have a pretty obvious ascending wedge pattern. It works from an Elliott Wave point of view as a wave 4. We expect to move down to the next target, easy. We then said, okay, corrective rally should now happen, easy. Now, however, if we come down lower, this is now where it's getting tough, because we now need to pay attention to the following. It could very much be that Optimism is moving in a larger, it takes a moment to load, in a larger triangle pattern. So in the most straightforward wave count, I would expect it to follow the yellow wave count to make new lows below the 89-cent level, which is the 10th of June low. Yeah, and it would be an easy 5-wave move down. Okay, like a 5-wave structure to the downside. Yeah, but it's not as straightforward, because we could just simply be in a larger triangle. That is possible due to the 3-wave structure to the upside that we had into the 2023 highs, the 3-wave structure down into the June lows, the 3-wave structure up into the August highs, the 3-wave move down, yeah? And yeah, this is sort of what I'm watching. It could just be that this is extending a little bit further. So I think we now need to take it level by level, because different structures are possible. So if it now really goes down in just another 3-wave move, it will not get below the 17th of August low. We need to pay attention to that. So take it level by level, but I have to expect it to go down lower due to the structure. So until I have further evidence that we are in a triangle, I assume we are going to make a new low. But honestly, this is now the moment where a lot of different things can happen. So I will assume, until I get further evidence for anything else, that we're now at least in the C wave to the downside. So we would expect a 5-wave move down or a 3rd wave, which would be more bearish. Yeah. So what we now need to pay attention to, I don't have enough waves to really give you a microstructure, but we need to pay attention to the B wave low, so $1.45. If that breaks, we could come down quite quickly again, I think, to round that to that $1.16 level. If I look at the 1-hour chart now, I mean, from a wave count point of view, if you I can give you some just sort of structures, but this looks like a leading diagonal in the wave 1. Wave 2 to the upside, and we could now be in the 3rd wave down, but this has some more to go, right? And this 5-wave move would then form a larger wave 1 again, of that potential C wave here, or even 3rd wave to the downside, which is somewhere down there. So it's going to be interesting. First of all, we had that reaction that we wanted to resistance. I cannot fully confirm it because I want price to break below the B wave low next to really confirm it. Until then, this could still stretch out in a more complex correction. But for now, things are looking good. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.